Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that developers might encounter when working with C# classes. The problem revolves around a class called user, which has two fields, a string for name and an int for age. The class has a primary constructor that initializes these fields, but we want to add another constructor that sets a default value of 18 for age when only the name is provided. Now, onto the solution. To achieve this, we need to call the primary constructor within the new constructor. By adding a constructor with just the name parameter and using the syntax public user string name, this name 18, we can set the default age value to 18 when only the name is provided. This approach ensures that all fields are properly initialized, maintaining the integrity of the class. In summary, we've tackled the problem of adding a default value for the age field in the user class by utilizing constructor chaining in C#. By calling the primary constructor from another constructor, we were able to streamline the initialization process and provide a seamless solution. I hope this explanation has been helpful to you. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Stay coding!